River of light, shine through me. When the shadows crowd my view, your holy presence pulls me through. Every moment wrapped in fear disappears. In the stillness of your grace, your glowing mercy fills the space. Every part of me revive, you provide. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every darker place by your grace. River light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. When my strength begins to fade, your gentle radiance invades every tremble in my soul. You console. Through the quiet of the dawn, your holy glow keeps shining on. Every wound begins to mend, you defend. Your light breaks through the night, restoring what's not right. Every darker taste by your grace. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. River of light, deep and clear, wash away my doubt and fear. Guide my every step. In your love I'm kept. Let your glory shine, flow through every line. Lead me by your grace, light this place. River of light, so warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred sight. Every breath I take in you river of light. When the night surrounds my soul, you speak a truth that makes me whole. Every shadow melts away as you stay. In the silence, soft and pure, your holy presence reassures. Every trembling fear I hold turns to gold. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. When the world is loud and wild, your peace surrounds me like a child. Every fear begins to fade as you stay. You restore the tired mind and breathe your hope through every line. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your whisper calls my name, releases every chain. All my doubts erased by your grace. Whisper of holiness, calm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whisper of holiness, soft and deep, guard my soul when I can't sleep. Every place I stand, held within your hand. whisper of holiness. Fall on me, whisper of holiness. Garden of glory, breathe on me. When the world feels cold and dry, you lift my spirit to the sky. Every heartbeat finds its way as I pray. Gentle footsteps in the light, you walk with me through every night. Every worry fades away as you stay. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone by your dawn. Garden of glory, soft and bright, fill my soul with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Garden of glory, calm and pure. In your love I feel secure. Lead me where you stand, held within your hand. In the quiet of your grace, you wipe the tears from every place. Every sorrow that I keep falls asleep. You restore the broken parts, plant seeds of healing in my heart. Every wound begins to heal. You are real. Your presence calls my name, ignites a holy flame. Every fear is gone Your gentle voice is what I seek. Every moment, every sigh, you are nigh. Through the silence of the night, your presence brings a holy light. Every burden starts to fall at your call. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. Let your kindness overflow, let it grow. Breath of grace, you lift me high, hold me close and sanctify every step I take. By your love I In the morning's quiet air, I feel your mercy everywhere. Every shadow fades away as I pray. You revive what's lost inside, your healing waters gently guide. Every wound begins to mend in your hand. Your spirit moves within, restoring me again. Every fear erased by your grace. Breath of grace, so soft and true, fill my soul and make it new. cold and long. Your gentle love remains so strong. Every doubt that fills my mind falls behind. In the quiet of your grace, I feel your warmth in every place. Every fear begins to fade, unafraid. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted when my strength is wearing thin. Your healing presence pulls me in. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You restore my weary heart, breathing life in every part. Every burden that I bear, you repair. Your mercy lifts me high, like wings across the sky. Every worry gone by your dawn. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you feels brand new. Wings of mercy, calm and wide, keep me always by your side. In your perfect love, I am lifted Hold me as I rise, grace before my eyes. Guide me every day, show the way. Wings of mercy, soft and bright, lift my soul to holy light. Every moment held in you Waves of glory fall on me as the morning finds my soul. Your gentle presence makes me whole. Every whisper, soft and clear, says I'm here. Through the silence of the sky, your holy love begins to rise. You send your glory down, it lifts me from the ground. All my doubts release in your peace. Waves of glory, pure and bright, cover me in sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Waves of glory. Waves of glory fall on me. Waves of glory. Draw me near. When the world pulls me apart, you gather pieces of my heart. Every moment lost in pain fades again. In the quiet of your truth, your holy love restores my youth. Every burden I once knew falls from view. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by your Son. Your gentle mercy draws me in. Every tear I couldn't hide dries inside. You remind me who I am, a child held in the great I am. Every weakness you replace with your grace. Your presence lifts my soul, makes every broken whole. All my fears undone by draw me near, heart of heaven. Whispers of glory fall on me when the night is closing in. Your tender presence calms my skin. Every shadow in my soul loses hope. In the quiet of the dawn, your holy whisper lingers on. Every fear that once held tight meets your light. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decreased by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart with sacred light. Every breath I take in you feels brand new. Whispers of glory, soft and pure. In your presence I am sure. Every step I make held for heaven's sake. When my soul grows tired and worn, your gentle love begins to form. Every tear that falls tonight meets your light. You revive the heart within. You break the chains of fear and sin. Every broken part restored by my Lord. Your voice breaks through the cold, restoring what was old. All my doubts decrease by your peace. Whispers of glory, warm and bright, fill my heart river of mercy flowing through me in the quiet of the dawn. Your gentle presence lingers on, every shadow fades away. As you stay, your peace begins to rise, like sunlight breaking through